Hello everyone and welcome back to Max TV Original. Today on the bench we've got a deja vu. We've got another Epson projector. This one is EH-TW4500. It looks exactly the same as the projector that we did before, which is in this link here. So just click on that card if you want to have a look at it. The only difference is again the model number and the color. It's black. Except this one also claims to have deep black colors as well. And again, deja vu, I got it off Facebook Marketplace for free. And this one's got allegedly been struck by lightning as well. So let's open it up and have a look at the difference, if there is anything different to the previous model that we had a look at, which was the 3000 and 3600. So let's first try it. I'm just going to plug it in and see if it powers up. Okay, so here we go. Okay, so far so good. I heard the... Okay, so it's starting. It did start up. Okay, so we've got the... let me just get... small camera so we can see what's happening. Alright, so the lights, it started the bulb. And let's see if it's projecting anything at all onto the wall. I can't see anything at all, actually. Just the blue screen. So that's interesting. And there is no error codes at all. Okay, so yeah, the screen's black. Let's try going into the menu. And again, nothing happens. So menu is not working. Turn that off. Okay, it wouldn't turn off either. Sounds like a main board. All right, let's open it up and check it out. I've got the top off and it is looking slightly different. So as you remember with the old projector, we had 3 slots here for the 3 panels and the cables would connect on the top here. And this one, that's completely missing. So if we take that board off, there is a second board with an interconnector here that connects to this board here. And that's where the panel's connected to. I haven't taken it off yet. I've disconnected it and got all the screws off. So let's take that off together. So that's another board that does the video processing. Looks like LVDS. And that's the engine. And it looks... Yes, it looks identical to another projector. So we still got the same type of bulb, we've got the same arrangement, the same type of fans, everything's the same. We've got our iris control, our cinema filter control, everything does look exactly the same. Just out of curiosity, let's open the engine up and, well actually there's no point opening. I can see it says H337, that is exactly the same engine as the other projector. So there is no point opening it up. So I'm going to try to troubleshoot why there is no image. It's almost like there is no power to this board. So if it's been struck by lightning, I'm assuming that the one of the processors may be damaged, since we've got no menu, no controls or anything. So that makes me think if we kind of turn the projector off, because that would be just the video board itself, and I assume the problem would be in this board here, so I'm gonna off camera try to troubleshoot and see if there's any power missing or anything like that, and then I will return with the results. So after hours of searching for the fault, I found that this capacitor here, let me zoom in, just that C2153 was a short circuit. So that supplies the power to all the RAM and the main processor that responded, that's got the firmware on it. So let me just show you, I'll peel that off. This one, you can see the RAM chips here. So, and that supplies the power to the RAM, and obviously everything else, like other CPUs that were, you know, responsible for striking the lamp and everything, were working, but the one that processes the actual OSD menu and the rest of the stuff, like manages the inputs, that was obviously not working. So that's the problem with that projector. I'm 19% sure that that would be the only fault, because I've buzzed through all the circuits and measured the voltages and all of that. So let's assemble that and put that board back in the projector and see if it'll work. Okay, so I have reassembled the projector briefly, just plugging the power cord in now. And let's see if it'll work this time. Okay, so I'm turning it on. Oh yeah, hang on. There we go. So it's, well, a good sign it's not starting by itself now. Okay, so lamp has started. Error in auto iris. Power off and contact your nearest. So the iris must be damaged in this one as well. So let's see if the rest of the menus are working. No, nothing at the moment. Alright, let's check out what's happening with the iris. Okay, so you can have a little laugh, but what actually happened is I didn't plug the iris or the XV color filter, so that's why I was giving the error. So let's try it again. So I'm just about to power it on. I didn't plug the side remote in because I do have actual remote for it, so we can just use that once it turns on. So that's a good sign. We can see Epson on the wall already, and source HDMI 2. Let's try zooming it out just so we can see the whole picture. And let's try to get rid of the color mode. So as you can see, it's working fine. All the colors are great. And it's, yeah, there's no problem anymore. So that was the little fix on that Epson EH-TW1500. So I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. My name is Max. Bye.